Race number 2. Racing just is started with Total Defiance. Break quickly restart. Kai Inday, give it all. Alki comes next. Then followed by Coastline. And on the outside comes a Smart Tony. Rushing up now is Share. Then next online is Divine Power. Yani. No, Yana second last, while Felix the Orc is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Total Defiance by about half length. Give it all in second. Rushing about the outside now is Alki. Kai Inday, Share. Coastline is Smart Tony. Then comes Divine Power. Yani, no, Yana, while Felix the Orc is still racing in less. And at the fourth turn, we have Total Defiance enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Give it all remains in second. Alki. Coastline is down on the inside, rushing up now on the outside is Yani. No, Yana, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Total Defiance enjoying a 3 lengths lead. And in second, Coastline, Alki, Yana now on the outside. Last 100 meters, we have Total Defiance by about 4 lengths over Yani, no, Yana. And finally, it's Total Defiance, Yani, no, Yana. Then comes Alki. Coastline, Give It All, and Felix the Arc.
Alright, banderang tapos. Numero 1, Total Defiance, ridden by Mark M. Gonzalez. Then masisigundo yung numero 3 na si Yani no Yana, then Alki.